Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crochet. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the fam. To my returning subscribers, what it do, baby? I missed you guys oh so much. But today, guys, we're gonna get this hair all the way together. I washed my silk press out and I literally just blow dried my hair a bit. So this is what it's looking like. And today, guys, we're going to do a crochet install. Yes, a crochet install. And y'all know I don't really do these that much, but I feel like I've gotten better because usually I'd have to get someone to do it for me, but I've actually figured it out, and if I can do it, you can do it too. So to get this hair done, I'm going to part my hair in half, which you need to do, and then split the top half into two, and then after that, separate the hair. You're going to split that other half into, is that a half, that quarter into two. So basically we're cutting the top quarter into two, and then we're going to separate that into two. So we're going to have four sections with each quarter of the hair. And guys, I'm using this shine and jam because it makes the hair easier to part. When you add it on the scalp, it's so much easier. You get way cleaner parts. And guys, the back portion doesn't have to be parted properly. I'm just concerned about the top because that's what's going to be showing. And to do this crochet hair today, I'll be trying the illusion method. This is where they add they part the sections like plaits, and it'll look like individuals, but in fact it's literally not. So that's what I'm trying. I've never done this on myself. I've seen this a lot floating around YouTube, so I decided okay, let me try it and see what it looked like, and I was actually very pleased. And guys, this is literally very easy to do. The hardest part is getting your hair braided down, and once you've gotten that done, the crocheting part is super easy. I got it done within an hour and a little bit, because I was watching something while doing my hair. So as you see, I'm parting that. So we have four sections on that quarter of the hair, and what I'm going to do is part it, add some edge control and detangle, and then just plait it and create a little braid. Well, I call it a plait, I don't know. And then I'm going to comb the other section, add some of the jam thing just to get the hair together so the roots look nice. And I'm going to just add that plait slash braid into that section. Literally just, I'm going to add it in the middle and then just plait it in. That's all I'm going to do, and I'll do that for all of the sections on the top. Guys, this part took me the longest. I'm not gonna hold you. Everything else after this was super smooth. So this is where you'll spend the most time getting the little parts together. And guys, I promise you, I could have done the boxes a little bit smaller, but I was not trying to do that, so I did them a bit big, I must say. But it still ended up working out. When I was adding the hair, I actually had to add two in some of the sections, but you'll see as I go along. And I'm literally going to do the rest of this off camera, because guys, let me tell you, it took forever to part my hair and plait each section and plait it in the other part. But maybe you're faster than me, but that's the hardest part for me. So this is super easy. And if you're having trouble getting this part together, have someone help you. And yeah, it'll be super easy after that. And guys, today's video is in collaboration with Toyotress, and they were kind enough to send me this crochet hair to install for y'all. And guys, this is what the hair is looking like. So I have 8 sections all the way. So 4 in the middle, 4 on the other one, and then 3 for the 2 on the side, and then the one that's on the end, that I only had 2. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And you can do your smaller if you want your locks to be smaller, but because these are short locks and they're a bit distressed and chunky because it is butterfly locks, I figured I could get away with doing the sections a little bit bigger. And then for the back, I literally put the back in 6 braids. So I braided that one down, and then I parted it again, made another braid, and as I braided each of them down, I took the end of the previous braid and I braided it it into it. So in the end, I literally only had one end left of the braid. Everything was just like connected, and then I just took the crochet needle and I just combined it on the inside, so the back was fully connected. Is that making sense? I really hope it makes sense, guys, but literally this part took me the hardest. That's why I'm including it, so y'all can see like this was my process. So now that we're finally braided and together, we're ready to install, and I'm going in with my wild growth oil just to keep my scalp moisturized under the crochet hair, because my scalp tends to be really itchy, and especially when I add like crochet hair and stuff, it itches even more. So I'm making sure my hair is moisturized. And guys, today's video, as I said before, is in collaboration with Toyotress, and they did send me over their butterfly locks, and this is the 12-inch 1B. It's pre-twisted distressed crochet braid, and it's pre-looped. And guys, I got a pack of 7. I used all 7. It's supposed to be a pack of 8, but I think I got a pack of 7. I don't know, but I had 7 in mine, and this is what it's looking like, guys. I literally just insert the hook in a downward motion, pull the hair through, take the hook off, and literally add the end into the loop and pull it through with my fingers. And that to me was the easiest way, because the hair is already distressed and it has the little knots on there for the butterfly locks. I don't think that it's wise to pull the end through the loop with the crochet needle. It's better when you use your hands. It's easier and it's less like pressure on your hair. So push the loop under, and then you're going to open up the hair as much as possible, add it on, close the latch, pull it through, take away the needle, open the loop and add the hair through it, and take your time and pull it down. And yeah, that's it. And then you just tighten it. And guys, because of the distress on it, it's a little harder to get the hair through the loop, but just take your time. And guys, because it's butterfly locks, it's supposed to be messy. I didn't mind like tugging on it at all. I didn't mind. So I feel like when I did it, even if it got like stuck on it, it would still look distressed. So it adds to it. I don't feel like it will take away anything. So yeah, we're literally going to repeat the same thing all over the hair. I really hope that y'all saw how I did it, and look at that. You can have the hair up, and that's what I was going for. So literally, guys, you're just pushing the crochet needle under, and then you're just pulling the hair through, opening up the loop and pushing the end through, and then pulling it down, and it's secured. Guys, if I can do this, you can do it. And if you're doing the back, do not put the loop across. That's not the way. Your hair is not going to lay properly. What you want to do is insert the crochet hook downwards, and then add the hair. So keep just like doing it like downwards versus across. So when you do it downwards, the hair will actually fall on top of each other, and it will cover your hair and give the illusion that the back is done and full. And guys, I literally just did them like maybe like 2 fingers apart, and I literally just felt my way through until I felt that the back was covered. And you know, use a little mirror to check, and as you can see, the back is fully covered. Everything looks great. It's not showing the braids underneath, and that was exactly what I was going for. So the back is full. I did use like 7 packs. I had maybe like 3 pieces left over, and each pack has 10 crochet braids in it, crochet locks, sorry. So I used almost 7 packs. So it just depends on your head size as well as how full you want it. This can definitely like do your hair. And guys, if you are interested in this hair, all the information will be down in the description box below. And let me tell you guys, I really love this hair, because it looks even better than the time that I did my own crochet locks on my own. Like this is like the finished look, and I really want you to stick around so you can see the different styles that I did. You can purchase this hair, guys, like a single pack, or you can purchase the bundle pack that I received, which I think is an awesome buy. You should definitely get the bundle pack. This hair looks super bomb. It's super easy. If you want like butterfly locks without the extra work, you can do this. And look at that, like I did the half up half down, and I really like that. And I love how I wrapped the hair around and created this messy looking bun. I really love that. But guys, yeah, please leave me like a comment, and let me know down below if you're feeling this, because I am really feeling this look. And what I love the most is that it didn't take me long. It was super easy. The hardest part was getting my hair braided, and this is what the hair looks like down. So you can wear it on any part, any side, down the middle, up in a half, up half down, like, and that's a vibe. So if you do this said like braid pattern, you can have like the versatility of doing all of that with a crochet install, and I think that's super amazing. But let me know down below, guys, if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to my channel, and all the hair information will be down in the description box. And this is the hair on this side, and if you don't like this side, sis, we can flip it to the other side. That's the greatest part about this install. Like, it's a versatile, like it's so versatile. I'm super proud of myself because this turned out bomb, and I love it. Love the locks. They're very lightweight and they look really good. So good. And yeah, guys, flip it to the other side. If you don't like that side, look at that, sis. All that versatility, like you can do it all if you do this illusion method. And for this last style, I wanted to do like little pigtails at the top of my head, and I think it looks so cute. You can definitely try this. And of course, I had to try doing some space buns. So I wrapped my little pigtails around, and those look super cute. Guys, this hair looks very natural, very realistic. I definitely recommend getting this hair. That's all I'm gonna say. I really hope y'all loved this video. Please give me a like. Please give me a thumbs up. Wait, that's the same thing. Please leave me a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. I love you guys oh so much. You have no idea. Please subscribe and become a part of the fam. CK gang. Bye, guys. Love you.